Hello and welcome back to Aliena's Kitchen, where today we are making a delicious strawberry lemonade from scratch. This recipe is so easy to make, and this is great if you want it to be kid friendly, or you can spice it up and make it boozy for the adults. So let's get started. The first thing you are going to need to make your strawberry lemonade is your burner as well as a pot, and I'm going to be adding in 4 cups of water. And you're going to want to turn your burner to a medium-high heat. And I'm also adding in 1 cup of granulated sugar. If you like a sweeter drink, you can add in 1.5 or 2 cups of sugar. This one is up to you. And I'm just going to stir this together. Next, I'm going to add in 1 sprig of fresh mint, along with the peel of 1 lemon. And we are going to let this mixture come to a boil until your sugar is completely dissolved. Now that my mixture is really hot and steaming, I can take it off the heat and add in my lemon juice very carefully. And I have 1 cup of freshly squeezed lemon juice, along with an ingredient you guys probably think is pretty weird, but I say it really elevates this lemonade. I'm adding in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Trust me guys, if you don't want to trust me, that's fine, you can leave this out, but I think the vanilla extract really gives it a nice flavor. And you want this to be completely cool before you add in your strawberry puree. So I'm gonna go pop this in my fridge for about an hour. It's now time to blend up our strawberries. I have 2 cups of strawberries, which I've cut the ends of them off, or hulled the strawberries, some people like to say. And I'm going to add all of this to my blender. I'm also going to add a little bit of my lemonade to my blender, just so when I blend it all together, it's a really nice smooth mixture. So now we can blend this all together. This next step is completely optional, but I like to strain my strawberry puree because I don't like it to be too chunky. But if you want some strawberry chunks in there, don't strain it. That one's up to you. I'm going to try not to make a mess while I do this. Find whenever there's something that could stain my clothing is when I make a mess. And doesn't this look just so delicious? I am a huge lover of strawberry. And strawberry lemonade, in my opinion, is the best kind of lemonade. I'm now going to go get my lemonade, and while I was cooking this, I really didn't want to have to wait for it to completely cool in the fridge, so I just put my lemonade in an ice bath to cool it down a lot quicker. Another trick to cool your lemonade down quickly is fill a strainer up with ice like so, and then you can actually pour your lemonade through the ice. And this is great because I actually do want to strain all my lemon peel and mint out of my lemonade, so this does that for me. And look at that, that worked perfectly, and now my lemonade is nice and cool. Now I'm going to try very carefully to put all my lemonade into my pitcher without spilling it. So let's see what happens. Oh. Alright, so there was a little spillage, but not too bad. So I think that's a success right there. Next, we can add in our strawberry puree. Now this is just beautiful. I'm obsessed with the color. It's so pretty. I want to get every last drop of this strawberry mixture in there. And now I can just stir this all together. So you can just pop this in your fridge, let it cool, or drink it like this. It's up to you. I think I'm gonna have a glass right now. My mom also made some beautiful artisan ice cubes that I am decorating my glass with today. I think they're so pretty. It's just water with some strawberries and mint and a few cherries, and they have such a beautiful color, so shout out to her. And I can now pour in my pink lemonade. Wow, this looks amazing. So if this is a kid-friendly recipe, stop right here. But if you're feeling like spicing it up, you can add in some vodka or tequila. Today I'm using some tequila because I am a tequila person, but if you don't want such a strong flavor in your lemonade, use vodka because I find that is a bit more mellow, but still nice and boozy. So let's add it in. And I'm gonna give this a little stir so I don't just take a sip of tequila at the top. And now it's time to taste it. Isn't it so pretty too? I'm excited. Wow, that is so delicious. It's the perfect sweetness level, and you get that punch from the tequila as well as that tartness from the lemonade. And I want to say a really special thank you to Tasty Cook Show, who I got this recipe from. It's absolutely amazing. Please check him out. He has a great channel, and he showed me this recipe, and I think it's so delicious, and I hope that you try it and think the same. And if you want to see more of my punch recipes or cocktails, there should be a playlist right here or over here of all of my videos. Thank you all for watching, and I hope to see you next week. Cheers!